Today, we stand at the frontier of mobile evolution, witnessing the rise of foldable smartphones that redefine the way we interact with technology. Among these, a new contender has entered the arena: the Infinix Zero Flip, a device that brings together premium design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge features at an affordable price. Let's take a deep dive into what makes the Infinix Zero Flip a revolutionary smartphone. A stunning foldable display, the Infinix Zero Flip features a 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED foldable screen, offering a 120Hz refresh rate, FHD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2640 pixels, and an impressive 1400 nits peak brightness. This ensures vibrant colors, deep blacks, and ultra-smooth interactions, making it a delight for gaming, media consumption, and everyday use. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The device also boasts a 3.64-inch external AMOLED cover display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1100 nits peak brightness, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. Whether you need to check notifications, snap quick selfies, or control music without unfolding the phone, this secondary display enhances convenience and efficiency. Powerful performance with AI optimization. At the heart of the Zero Flip lies the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 processor, a 6nm chipset that delivers flagship-level performance. Combined with 8GB of RAM and an additional 8GB of virtual RAM, multitasking becomes seamless. With 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage, users never have to worry about running out of space for their photos, videos, and applications. The smartphone runs on Android 14 with XOS 14.5, promising 2 major Android updates and 3 years of security patches. Ensuring long-term reliability, a camera system built for creators. Infinix has made a bold move by making the Zero Flip a vlogging powerhouse. The device features a dual 50MP rear camera system, including a Samsung GN5 primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, and a 50MP ultra-wide sensor. But the real game-changer is the 50MP front camera, which supports 4K recording at 60 frames per second. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, this device is designed to deliver crisp, high-quality visuals. It even includes AI-powered vlogging features, GoPro-style stabilization, and a unique DV mode for cinematic shots. Battery and charging: power that lasts. With a 4,720 mAh battery, the Zero Flip ensures all-day performance. And when it's time to recharge, the 70W fast charging gets you back to full power in no time. Additionally, it supports 10W reverse charging, allowing you to charge other devices on the go. Immersive audio and connectivity: sound quality is a priority with the JBL Tune stereo speakers, delivering high-res audio for a superior listening experience. Additionally, the device supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and USB-C connectivity, ensuring top-tier performance in every aspect. Security and design: a foldable masterpiece, the Zero Flip is built with a premium aluminum frame and a glass back. Available in 2 striking colors, rock black and blossom glow. Security-wise, it features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and 2D face unlock, providing multiple authentication options. A game-changer in affordable foldables. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of the Infinix Zero Flip is its price. While most foldable smartphones cost a fortune, Infinix has managed to bring this premium technology to the masses. Priced at $599 globally, it is one of the most affordable foldable phones on the market. Conclusion: the Infinix Zero Flip is a statement of innovation, affordability, and excellence. It is built for tech lovers, content creators, and everyday users who demand high performance, premium design, and cutting-edge features without breaking the bank. So, the question remains: is this the foldable smartphone you've been waiting for? Thank you, and let's embrace the future of technology together.